Yo, welcome back to the Barcada channel. My name is Mark Lawrence, and I have the brand new MacBook Pro with the M1 Max. This is the very latest and greatest MacBook that Apple has to offer till this day. So I have that pretty maxed out version. Yeah, no pun intended. But this is the M1 Max 64 gig memory, 30-core GPU with 4 terabytes of storage. Yeah, it kind of went all out. But yeah, we're gonna do a quick unboxing just to kind of show what's in it. And yeah, I can't wait to start making more content with this and show you guys how pretty much we apply these beautiful machines to making music production, and how it all works. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, let's go ahead and open this thing up. So this is gonna be crazy. Here we go. Wow. So right off the bat, beautiful box. Apple always has great packaging. Pause. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Wow. This thing is beautiful. Alright. So right off the bat, this thing is a beast. About 4.8 pounds. I believe the other ones are a little bit less. The M1 Pro chip is, a little bit lighter, so it's like about 4.7 pounds. And obviously the 14-inch model would be a lot less. Not by too much though. Inside the box, we got your standard paperwork. I believe these come with a brand new, that's right, black Apple stickers. First time I get to have these. Pretty dope. Not bad at all. This is a brand new 140 watt charger. So the original ones, I believe, were 96 watts, a little bit more squared off. And actually the other ones were actually a little bit bigger too, from what I remember. I actually traded in my my old laptop, which was a 2018 i9 model with the Vega 20 GPU. I went and traded that in for this new model. And yeah, this is actually not bad of a brick. Now you got your brand new MagSafe charger. MagSafe charger, USB-C, obviously, threaded. So this is a threaded cable, so you're not going to have any more messed up cables that might break on you. Other than that, I believe that's it. You got the MacBook right here. Let's go ahead and open that thing up. I'm not doing this very well. There you go. So this does have a beautiful new sleek design. I don't even want to say sleek, it's more of a chunker. It's a thick boy. Kind of reminiscent of like the older MacBooks back in the day, from like at least 12-15 years ago. So we got your ports back. We got your USB Thunderbolt 4. Got an HDMI 2.0. So if you think you're gonna have a 2.1 to run 8K or multiple displays, I believe this goes up to 2 displays up to 4K 60, as well as thank God we got the SD card slot back. Finally, 2 more Thunderbolt 4 ports, a high impedance headphone jack, so you now can listen to high quality audio, and then the brand old MagSafe. It's finally back. Let's go and open this thing up. You guys are gonna look at it before I am. Oh, you guys heard that, right? There it is. It's opening up, and yeah, so that is the unboxing of the brand new 16-inch MacBook Pro. Look at this thing. This thing is gorgeous. Hello. So what you're gonna get, obviously, with the keynote explanation, the new ProMotion display that's already implemented with the iPad Pro and now the iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pros. 120 hertz, amazing. Can't wait to really put it to the test. Brand new all black keyboard. It's amazing. It's gonna be great. Touch ID, and I heard amazing new speakers on this. So actually, when I bought the thing, the Apple employees wanted to test out the speakers on the ones that are on display. So I heard it, compared it to mine, and it's a world difference. It's crazy. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This is our first unboxing on this channel. Wanted to do something crazy and something big. The new MacBook Pros are insane right now. Everyone's reviewing them. Everyone's going crazy on them. This is the machine that everybody's been asking for many years. Yeah, a lot of the new ports coming back. MagSafe's back. New ProMotion display. It's going to be crazy. And can't wait. Can't wait to start using this thing. We are going to create more content utilizing this machine to show you guys how we break down our sessions, how we actually create music, and just the lifestyle of a music producer. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.